Now, since we have already learned what is Google Sheets, now we will look into account exactly how to enter the data into Google Sheets. So over here you are able to see that there are two ways through which the data can be entered into Google Sheet. One way it is called as the way of active cell, and the second, as you are able to see, is through formula bar. We will be having look at both the parts. Now first, as you are able to see, this will be the user interface of the Google Sheets. Now, if I want to enter any of the data, we require first step to select the cell. So as you are able to see over here, we have selected our A1 over here. So if in A1, I'm typing roll number, or if A1 is selected, A1 will be called as active cell. Click the cell and start typing. So I have selected the cell and I'll start typing roll number, and then I have selected B1, name of the student, and then in C1 I will be typing marks and so on. And what is the second way? The second way is through the formula bar. Now where you are able to see the formula bar, the place where you are able to see fx over here, this is called as a formula bar. Click the cell where you would like to enter the data. So suppose if I like to enter the data in D1, so this is D1. We have already learned how to identify the cells in the last period. So click the cell where you would like to enter the data, place the cursor in the formula bar. So our formula bar is over here, and I'll write the percentage. You are able to see, and again the same part, remark. So I've selected E1, and in this formula bar I'm typing remark. You are able to say remark, enters over here. So in this way we will be able to edit or make changes into the cells that are present. Now suppose if I want to make this particular changes and I want to write only name, so double click it and write only name. Done. So if the data is already present, no matter whether the data is already present, we can still edit that particular data, and hence it is called as editing.